Hello!
Hello everyone, we are in our next country, Peru, and we are so excited to be here.
We're so stoked, so stoked.
And so the very first thing we wanted to do when we got here was a traditional Peruvian cooking class so we can learn about the cuisine, learn about the culture.
Look at all these different types of potatoes. Keep going. Wow. That's beautiful. That's so good. That's so good. This is so good.
First Pisco side.
Yeah, of course.
Cusco.
We're here downtown. This is San Pedro Market, a really famous market here in downtown historic center of Cusco.
We're in Cusco also.
And
Peru.
Cusco is so cool. Like, we cannot wait to explore this place.
Such a historic place just by walking to this market. We're
So
excited.
let's learn about the food and make some food.
Yes.
And eat some food. Subscribe to follow along. I mean, this is, if you follow our channel, you know that this is one of my favorite activities because it involves food.
And eating food.
And eating
food.
Hola.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
So we just met Jesus, the chef, who's going to be taking us around the market, and then we're going to be making 2 cocktails, 2 dishes, and a dessert. I'm so excited.
Really like maracuja. Don't forget this, our cooking class is full hands-on. You will make your own cocktails, your own cocktails.
So
This is the type of a type of passion fruit.
that grows here, and you're supposed to suck on it and then swallow the seeds.
Supposedly the first ceviche was made with this. Also, passion fruit is so nice. We're gonna make a cocktail with it later.
Is it very, do you chew the seed? It's super, it's super sour.
It's sour,
It's sour, good flavor, very good
Good
flavor.
but not sharp like the other passion fruit.
It's nice. It's very
It's nice.
refreshing.
It's kind of refreshing. You're right. Slimy. Whoa.
It's really sweet.
It's super sweet. Really
It's
tasty.
good. Wow.
It's one of my favorite foods. It's very,
That's
very
really good.
Yeah, it's sweet. What's it taste like? Something.
Probably like that. We've had that before, I think.
Yeah.
It's good.
Moya.
Chili moya.
Chili moya.
Chili moya. Chili moya. Okay, there's a piece
Oh,
for
still
you.
Apple.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. You don't eat the outside. I'm just gonna go for it.
It's sweet.
Chili moya is very, very sweet.
Wow.
Whoa.
The texture kind of reminds me of durian,
Oh yeah.
Like
Oh yeah.
but it's way sweeter. Doesn't smell bad.
This is so fun. There's like so many fruit here from the coast, from the Amazon, here from the Andes. So many more ingredients to work with as well as a chef. He was saying like, great place to be a chef here in Peru. Oh my gosh,
Do you think the same?
bubble gum,
Oh, interesting.
right? But durian, but sweet. This is really good. Wow. Moving on. That was amazing. So many fruit to try. No, this is a red aisle, I think.
In Cusco, there is 2 seasons in all year long. Fresh potatoes, normal potatoes.
Okay, we're learning here in Peru there are 55 different types of corn, 450 types of peppers, and 3,000 types of potatoes. That's a lot of potatoes. And there's like dried potatoes that essentially can last forever, and then you boil them and then they absorb the moisture again. They're really light and they're really cool. There's a lot of cool food from here, like a lot of cool ingredients. This is Andino cheese. There's like beautiful cheese here. Oh, it's phenomenal. Cheers, Devin. Andino cheese. Cow cheese. Cheers.
So all the cheese here in Cusco is cow cheese. Apparently some tour guides will say there's llama cheese, but there's not. There's not enough milk from llamas. It's all cow cheese, and it's very good.
This whole section here of these little restaurant stalls serve only soup and a salad, a vegetable salad. It's so cool. Okay, chocolate stop.
I got to pick one, so I picked
I'm 36
chocolate
years
with
old.
coffee in it.
Coffee.
In the 90s, always the same, in the 90s.
Oh,
we used
wow.
to have in Peru, like a coffee, chocolate with rice.
Tastes like chocolate
like a
first and then
crunchy, very,
coffee
very crunchy.
comes later.
The texture is phenomenal as well.
With like the chunks of coffee bean.
And there's
in it.
little chunks of coffee bean.
Crunchy, but super crunchy.
That is really good. I mean, look at all these different types of potatoes. Like, what is this? What is that? What is this one? This is kind of like a little you know, this is hilarious. And this one has the Peruvian colors on it. Yellow, white and then red, white and red. Peruvian potato. Now we're entering the like natural, organic, sort of healthy medical substances. Anything from like, yeah, everything. Liquids, plants, herbs, leaves. It's all of it.
Got our final ingredients. We've been buying all of our ingredients for what we're going to be cooking, and he was telling us everything here is from Peru. They don't import anything. Everything in this market is grown here. So we got avocados.
Welcome.
Gracias.
We're in the studio. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Wow. Got our lovely apron. You know, it's gonna be an official cooking class. Look at this. Ugh.
Oh, it's heavy duty. Peruvian Cusco flavors, baby.
Wow, this is nice. This is lovely. I'm excited.
It's like denim and leather. Look at that.
A nice ABBA in the background too.
And there's ABBA playing. We're ready to cook and make cocktails and eat them and drink them.
We're starting to make a Pisco sour with passion fruit. Maracuya.
We started by learning about the different types of Pisco in Peru. And then it was time to get started. We first cut the passion fruit in half.
All right, it's time to get the juices out of this passion fruit. And do this. I'm getting some, yeah. Time for the Pisco.
There we go. So traditionally it's 3, so one of these and one of these. Keith's gonna do 3. I'm gonna stick with 2.
Sure.
We have another drink after.
So it was 3 ounces of Pisco sour, 1 ounce of the passion fruit juice, 5 cubes of ice, of course, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and now a whole shot of egg whites.
2 fingers on the top. Oh, you almost have a pisco sour.
Getting cold. Look, getting cold. Keep going.
I'm doing surgery here. Oh my gosh, this is my handshake.
Is it?
Look at the knife, I can't do this. Make little hearts. And now the last part of surgery. Pick my flower. It's beautiful. And stick it in there.
Well done.
Yay! Let's try it.
We like Peruvian pisco, so of course.
It's really good.
Good.
It's strong, and I put 2 ounces, so good luck with yours, Keith.
Our first Pisco sour.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is nice. Strong, but well balanced. Really well balanced. That's a good cocktail.
We next started prepping for our first dish by learning to cut onions in a very smart way to make them extra tiny.
Don't forget that. And then when you change in color, garlic.
This is bell pepper. That's Peruvian pepper, and it's yellow, but it's actually like orange. We saw it in the market. Tastes like a bell pepper.
Yeah, like a.
But it's like creamier.
Yeah.
It's very good.
How you make the chilies, the chili sauce, boil the chilies, and mix them blender with oil. That's it.
I won't be scared, I got this.
Whoa.
You ready?
Oh my goodness, it's really good.
This is Devin's
My stirring.
concoction here. Oh wow. That's like the best kilo I've ever had.
I know, it's so good.
And then you will keep
You
it.
made it look so easy. Let's
Keep it in
see.
the middle chopping board. Yeah, so you will.
Okay, good job. I bought these dried corn husks in the market, and they just soak them in water to make them sort of like malleable, flexible, and we're going to use these as wraps for our next little recipe. Splitting this, is that it?
Yeah, just split it in half.
Oh, I screwed up. It's not half. It's okay.
Good, that's good.
Oh, good point. This is gonna be cheesy. This is gonna be cheesy.
After that, this one should be there. Face down.
You focusing here, Dev?
I'm trying really hard. I think I filled mine with too much cheese. He made it look so easy. You're doing this, right? Okay, and now do you start at the bottom first?
Doesn't matter.
Oh gosh, I think I made mine really full.
Yeah, yours is huge.
I'm gonna need extra help, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, Devin needs help.
Yeah, I do. I put too much cheese in it, I think. I need double.
Mine's pretty perfect.
Oh my god.
In comparison.
Wow.
It was now time to start our next dish, Causa de Pollo, which is spiced mashed potatoes with creamy chicken salad and avocado done in a very fancy way.
Look at that! So cool!
You have the board with you? The avocado? Yes?
Oh, beautiful.
Boom!
Well done.
I'm a chef.
Don't take all of it.
And the pièce de résistance.
Wow.
Look at this.
Now it is time to try it. I don't want to destroy this masterpiece that I'm going to my mouth.
But you have to.
Okay, gotta get a bit of everything. So avocado,
The chicken,
the
and
sauce.
the quinoa.
It's so good.
Everything.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Wow. His favorite part.
Look at this. Now we get to eat it. It's art. It's edible art. I'm ruining it. Oh no, I'm eating it. Mmm. Wow. That's so good. The little sauces on the side, the pepper sauces, are like zesty. Oh wow. That's really good. We're now making chicha punch. That food was phenomenal. Honestly, it was so good. But on to better things. We're making cocktails now. Another one. Let's go.
It will be like a summer cocktail. Yeah? For this one, the original cocktail, Peruvian cocktail, is called Pisco punch, which is all the ingredients without chicha morada.
For the pisco sour, we added ice to the shaker in our cup, then 2 ounces of chicha morada, which is usually purple corn, pineapple, cinnamon, cloves, sugar, and lemon. Then 1.5 ounces of pisco, half an ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of fresh pineapple juice, half an ounce of simple syrup, and a spoon of coconut syrup.
That,
Look at that.
that's beautiful. Wow.
Look at that color.
That is so nice. Interesting.
Salud!
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 Amazing.
Like a summer cocktail.
Oh
Wow.
wow. That is so nice. It is like a punch.
Yes, like a summer cocktail.
Beautiful.
Well, that's refreshing.
Next up is the famous ceviche, which if you don't know, is raw fish.
We were told you do salt first before the lime, and that's important.
So just this much garlic is good enough into the tilapia with salt. And the same amount of ginger as well, because they're strong flavors.
Oh, that's gonna be spicy.
That'll be spicy, that'll be good.
Spice.
Ceviche being the Peruvian national food, we add some lime juice. Now make sure you don't want to squeeze too much because you get bitter skin flavor. So you do a couple squeezes, but that's gonna disinfect the fish. It's gonna make it safe to eat. It's gonna be good. Look at that. That smells beautiful. This is his secret recipe, so we're gonna do oyster sauce. Soy sauce over here, just a little spoonful. Boom. Finally, sesame oil. Love sesame oil.
Try the liquid of ceviche. Apparently it's called tiger's milk.
Yeah, that's good.
Get rid of a hangover.
Because of the spice. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Is it good? Nice.
It's really good.
All these flavors here.
The white spoon is ceviche there. Yeah.
That's so good. That's so good.
The moment of truth, the first ceviche.
Okay,
And you made it.
here it is. I made it in Peru. This is beautiful. Look at this spoonful of. Oh wow, it smells so nice. All in one? Should I do it all in one?
Do it.
Wow, that's so good. Wow. It's just got all the flavors. It's excellent. And these little corn things on the side. This is so good.
So ceviche, if you don't know, is raw fish. And if you know me, not usually a huge fan. I could have got a vegetarian version, but I wanted to try the traditional one. So I'm going for it. Okay, I'm gonna try also putting this on my mouth. I know this is quite a bit smaller than Keith's.
Do it, Devin. Spicy? Acidic. Zesty. It's everything.
It was really good. It was just a really big bite, so it really went in my throat. It was good. I like it. It was just like, whoa, almost went down the wrong pipe.
Smaller bites next time. It's so
Guys, I'm
nice.
growing. Look at me go.
Look at you.
Eating raw fish.
Mmm.
It's good.
Oh my god.
And these corn nuts are really good too. They're really different than the kind you get at home.
So amazing.
2 wrappings because mine was so big. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. This looks delicious. The first thing we made. Look at this. Ready for this?
Whoa, cheesy boy. Food?
This is my kind of dish. Wow. All 3 dishes have been amazing. Oh my gosh. The veggies too, it adds to it. Incredible.
It's really good. And has some spice to it. That's excellent. That's so nice. Oh, the cheese and the veg and the flavors work really well together. And look how beautiful it is too.
For dessert, we're having picarones, which is a traditional, I guess, street food dish. And it usually takes 24 hours to make. So that's why it got made for us. And they even made me a gluten-free one, so I can have it too. And it's finger food, so you just eat it with your fingers. It's kind of like a donut.
Squash and sweet potato. Ooh. Airy. Oh, that's great. It's like a little fried donut.
With a bit of fermentation too.
And it's like a syrup sauce. Kind of reminds me of maple syrup a little bit. To make this sauce, it was molasses, orange, and cloves, and it is phenomenal. Like, it is a very good sauce. I devoured this. I ate most of Devin's too because she's full, and so I'm a happy camper. That was amazing. Well, oh my gosh, that was such a good experience. We ate so well, we drank really well.
So full.
We learned a
Amazing
ton.
drinks,
Jesus was so
cocktails.
interesting.
Yeah, he was so kind and informative.
So we're just so enthusiastic about this.
Yeah, sorry, we'll stop talking over each other. We're just very excited. I actually learned so many just cooking tips in general.
Yeah, Devin doesn't know how to
honestly.
cut onions, and well, she didn't.
That's not true.
Well,
I'm a great cook.
This is a fantastic cooking class. Peruvian Cusco flavors is a must, and we recommend it. It also does really well on all channels.
All channels. We would totally recommend it. You can book it through their site, which we have below. They have
Airbnb, TripAdvisor, or their website, but it always does like #1.
And that was the most gourmet food we have ever cooked and made ourselves.
So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we recommend this. See you next time.
Nope.
Chicharrón. Yep, my bad.
No, 2.
2. Well, I can do 2 small ones.
Listen. Nicest apron I've also ever worn.
It's nice, isn't it?
And the people we did the cooking class with too were so kind. What a wonderful afternoon. I feel great. I also feel like I have a food baby.
Productive, eh?
Food baby in here. Woo! I had so much cheese there in the end.